don't fall. Oh, that's perfect, dude. They're gonna love it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benedict Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, comes to you live from the Mannequin studio. As you can see, your boy just woke up and I look hella crusty. Well, I look fine though. Your boy looking clean, even though I just woke up. But anyways, guys, today is about to be another busy day, another architectural vlog. I don't know, I'm kind of enjoying these vlogs. Let me know what you guys think about these vlogs so far. I'm kind of enjoying them. But today I'm going to be going on a site visit. It's not for work, it's for my other, like I've mentioned before, but I've never really explained to you guys. So I have a thing called Benitecture, where it's like my name, obviously, Benedict, and then architecture. So I have like a conjunction. So what I do is that I provide architectural services to obviously people that don't want to hire like a full-time, like an actual licensed architect, because obviously full-time, because obviously a full architect will probably cost you a lot. So I come in as like the middle ground where like I won't pay like you, I won't cost a lot, but you're gonna pay me still. So I do it for like companies that don't want to hire like a staff, and then they just want like nice work done, but they don't really need an architect. So I come into the picture like that. I need to go get some more measurements and then verify some more pictures and just make sure that everything is correct before I start to push with a new design. That's very important, architects. You need, like, our job is so hard that like you have to be like, you can't be off with things like measurements, because like this is a place where people would walk in. This is a place where people would be like staying inside. So for the architecture students out there, just anything you need to master is your measurement skills, measurement and like being precise. So anyways, guys, without further ado, let me go take a shower, get ready, because the place I'm going is about 35 minutes away, and I'll see you guys in the car. So guys, this is basically what I'm carrying for this journey. Plug my wire. This is what I'm going to carry for this trip. I'm going to have my notepad, really small, handy. My phone, obviously. I'm also going to have a pen. I mean, obviously, and then my pad as well, because this is where. So it's a digital age, so we don't need to carry all them like printed papers. All my plans and sections and all the things I'm going to write is on here. So also, I'm going to be using my phone to vlogs because I'm gonna be running around and I don't want to carry my camera. As you guys can see, I'm already kind of late. So pardon me for the poor resolution in the next clip, but hey man, you guys get the content, right? You get the content. All right, guys, I'll see you in the car. Guys, I'm already so pissed off right now because you won't believe it. Your boy just fell. This freaking Massachusetts snow. It's so annoying. Oh my god, my hair is just like all over the place right now. But this freaking Massachusetts snow, man, keeps tripping me up. But I just fell in the snow, guys. So your boy is in pain, kind of, but then I have to kind of rush because I'm already late. But how you guys doing? How's your morning going? How you guys living? I always ask you, but you guys don't respond. I'm just joking, guys. Anyways, I'm in the car right now. I'm about to drive about 34 minutes. Right now the time is 7:36. So yeah, damn, the sun is in my face. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna get there about 10 minutes late. This is really not a good thing though, by the way. I know I've been emphasizing on how like, oh, I don't get to places on time and all that, but it's not really a good thing, and I really should do better with that. But today seems to be very interesting. Like I said, I'm going on a site for one of the side jobs that I got. Like I said, I own a architectural service company called Benitecture. That's Benedict and architecture. So it's like my kind of sauce to architecture. Yeah, so been doing it for like 2 years. Just took it seriously this year. So, and this is one of the projects that we are handling. So it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned. I'm gonna drive there real quick and I'll see you guys when I'm on the site. All right. Logic in this. How the hell have I honestly left my house and forgotten my measuring tape? I feel like I might have lost my measuring tape when I had my fall, because I just fell right as I stepped out of my apartment. So I feel like that's where I left it. But guys, look at this traffic. Please look at this traffic. I had to stop at Home Depot to get myself a tape, just a very temporary one right there. You guys can see a very temporary tape that I could use for this job. But hey man, this is annoying because I was supposed to be at the place for 8 o'clock, and now I'm going to get that 8:24. And mind you guys, my main job starts at 9 o'clock. So God, take charge, because I don't know what I'm doing no more at this point.
So today at the office, like I said, I have to take a bunch of measurements. So for this project, it's a renovation project. So what I have to do is, obviously I have to make a plan for the existing. I'm gonna mark out what is actually on the site, and then eventually we're going to get to the phase where I'm going to have to redesign the space. I've done one project like this before, but I feel like I have a very good idea for what I want to do with this space. But as you guys can see now, I'm taking measurements of the basic spaces, the windows, the glazing, the walls, just so I can understand if it exactly matches with my plan, and then we can move on from there. Yeah.
Guys, I'm totally tired right now, honestly, and it's not even the beginning of the day. Well, it's just the beginning of the day. Anyways, I'm about to head home to my other job and actually start working. I work from home, so now. You guys can see. I know I made you yawn. I know I made you yawn. Come on, just let it out. Anyways, guys, for some funny reason, my boss has not called me today. Knock on wood, because I need to get home first, so it's not like I've been away. But I also need to get food because I'm hungry as hell. I don't have the time to cook anything at home. So guys, I just got back home. Yeah, I'm back in my office setting, my office space. Yeah, I'm late. I got to work approximately like 30 minutes late. Okay, so I'm about to make a phone call back to my boss. She actually did end up calling me. But anyways, guys, we actually got back on time. That's how you hustle 2 jobs in architecture, man. In this field, if you want to survive, you kind of have to do the different gigs, just to get through with things. But so guys, today we're making holiday cards for the office. It's Christmas, and well, let me show you guys. I don't know how, I'm gonna show you guys my screen at some point. But today we're making holiday cards at the office because it's almost Christmas time. This is the time when we send cards to our clients, old clients we've worked with, and all that. So like I tell you guys, I'm an architect, but in architecture you get to, well, being an architect, you get to double time with different things. So I'm pretty good at graphic design as well. Oh, still, guys, I had a very early morning. You guys have been with me throughout the day, but you get to double down on different things as well. So yeah, let me show you guys. Well, right now what I'm doing, she sent me some ideas for like color schemes. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. So we have some, okay, this thing is gonna focus. Yeah, we have some color schemes over there. It's like gold. Comment down below your favorite color schemes for like holiday Christmas cards, or if any of you guys have started to receive Christmas cards, because I haven't. So I'm gonna try and get settled in, and then I'll check back with you guys at some point in my day. Is that fine? Yeah. Before I go though, subscribe if you're loving the content. Subscribe, comment, let me know how you're feeling. Honestly, just comment anything. How's your day going? Comment how your day is going. How you feeling this season? I know the word is very weird right now to be Christmas, but hey man, how you feeling? How you guys feeling this Christmas season? Hope try as much as possible to keep the Christmas spirit alive. But just a quick check-in, guys. Currently I'm getting to the design, honestly getting some headway, some leeway. Let me show you guys what I have so far. So right now I'm doing some dope stuff with our company logo. So the company logo, I'm not going to show you guys exactly just because, but the company logo looks like that. So I'm making like a star with it. I'm having it
I'm giving it some gold accents so you can kind of start to see things come together. But you know your boy, basically, yeah, your boy is one talented motherfucker. But yeah, guys, I want to also say this, like, for the architects or the aspiring architects watching my videos, I know my last video seemed to be like this. I honestly was having a bad day and I probably shouldn't have done that. Architecture is an amazing field. Trust me, I've learned a lot from being in this field. I've gained a lot of knowledge being in this field. But in the times we are, it's just a lot more stressful because it's not a value field. Like, what's good, guys? So right now it's about to be done. I'm about to send all the stuff I've been working on today, and we're about to get to the other part of my life. We're gonna go see some of my friends. I've got some special guests I'm gonna bring to you guys today. Well, not guests, but like I'm going out, so we're not out, but you get me. I'm leaving my house in a little bit. So I'm about to get off work right now. Like, you guys have seen it. This is literally me working from home. I'm at my office space, my desk right here that I showed you guys. It's literally just a very nice, cozy spot. But I'm about to finish what I'm doing right now and I'm gonna head out. So right now, if you're enjoying this video, you guys have seen me throughout my day. Comment down below what you guys think. And please, for the upcoming architects, don't be discouraged. This is just me showing you guys my life, obviously the struggles. I'm showing you guys the struggles of everything, and obviously I'll show you guys the happiness of things too. Like, there's happy parts of it too. So don't be discouraged. There's always a light in the end of the tunnel before another dark tunnel. So hey man, you got it. So see you soon.